What's up, guys? So, dentist to developer, just wanted to give you a quick update video. So, the last class that I had, we built something that looks like Instagram, and it's a social network for fish. It's just a joke, but it's called Finstagram. And essentially, you have your profile picture here, says how long ago that it was posted, and then down here, comments and likes and stuff like that. So, uh, pretty cool. I'll actually show you the code. So it's pretty basic right now. This right here, I don't know what to do with because we haven't learned CSS yet, which is, if you think about HTML, that's the framework, and then CSS makes it looks pretty, and it's all the detail and everything like that. And then JavaScript would be more functionality and all of that. But if you go down here, this is what I can tell you what's actually going on. Up here, this is the header. This is where a lot of the thinking for the whole page goes on. You don't typically see a lot of this. This title right here correlates with literally that right there I found. Um, you can give something called attributes. My professor calls them attributes, but you can, I'm pretty sure it's attributes. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, so I'm just trying to figure this out. You can give attributes like class to particular parts. So this article piece right here, if I show all of it all the way down. So he said to think of it like a piece of clothing. Now, I guess that makes sense. Like if you're wearing pants or a shirt, and then everything that goes inside of that shirt. So the article or the post would be all of this. Okay, that's your pair of pants or a shirt or a hat or whatever, and these are all the details within that. Div, this is like starting a new line of code or a new line on the screen of the website. UL, these are all lists, so this is I guess unorganized, or what's the word I'm looking for? This is a list that's ordered, and this is an unordered list. And so if you're going to have a list of things that are common or the same, like comments, they're pretty much going to look the same. And you can put it into a list, and then the P represents a paragraph, so you can write stuff in there. And yeah, so the real magic is this CSS, which we're going to be digging into on Monday, which basically took a really bad looking. Okay, watch. So if I like delete this. Okay, so if we put this into the browser, this is what it looked like before. Okay, doesn't really look nice. Everything's just sort of in different lines, the picture, the time, all that. But the real magic is when you put in that CSS. So I put it back, save it, and all of a sudden, Finstagram turns into something a little more stylized and beautiful, something you'd actually, as a user, would think is nicer. And so that was a real, I guess, key for me is to really see that and to really appreciate that, the CSS and the HTML working together can make something really cool. So I was excited about that. And then I went to an event tonight. It was a bunch of entrepreneurs for startups and business people and lots of technical people. And I actually got to meet Alvin Wang, who's a Silicon Valley tech guy, investor, and now he's in a partnership with Google to raise, well, he's going to start an accelerator. And so startups are going to basically get funding for a portion or equity in their company, and then support from him and his team to build out these small ideas. And it's all like pre-product concepts. So it was just super cool. Like I've been in this a week, and already I'm meeting some cool people like that. I met a coder from Belarus. His name's Sergey. Business people from the city, a vlogger named Adele from here, and I mean, this is exactly what I got into it because in this world, it's about getting your ideas out. It's about that creativity. Like, you got an idea, go do it. In dentistry, it was more kind of it was slower, right? I mean, we go there, we do the exam, we put together our treatment plans. The patient hums and haws about it. They wait until they can afford it, and then they do it. And the whole time you're busy, you're doing your work, but there's not a lot of my creativity in there until I actually get to do the dentistry. Then I get to apply my creativity. So this really gives me the opportunity, once I know what to do, to deploy that a lot sooner, a lot faster. Fail often, like there's all the things that I feel like I enjoy and that I'm built for, is really what this industry is all about. And, that's part of why I'm doing this. So that's my update for now. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully what I'm telling you kind of gives you an indication of what it would be like for you if you literally just started from nothing, started with no experience coding, and then jumping into it. So hope you guys are having a great day, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave it in below. And otherwise, dentist to developer, let's go.